Hello and welcome to another product demonstration video from Pars. Today I'm featuring the new Traveljoy aluminium folding sack truck. Manufactured in Taiwan, excellent quality with an aluminium construction and additional plastic parts, and distributed by Pars here in the Midlands. This particular model is 125 kg, only weighs 5.2 kilos, so super for getting in and out the back of vehicles. To use, you fold down the foot plate, which in turn folds out the wheels, and simply press the button in the middle to extend the height of the handle. And that's it, away you go. Very smooth wheels, great for getting up and down curbs at 175mm solid rubber, so you won't have any issues there, and fitted with an additional bungee for securing your load. To find out more information, please visit our website. These are held in stock and available on a next day delivery.